Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you the Tapswap coin airdrop withdrawal update. So all you need to do is, as you can see, head over to your Telegram like so, click on search, and we're going to search for Tapswap. At first, as you can see, there's this official bot. I'm going to click on start over here and then start now and then start one more time. As you can see, this will launch the Tapswap app. From there, as you can see right now, I don't have anything, but for you there should be an airdrop option, and if you can't find that, then just head over to Telegram one more time and we're going to search for Tapswap launch bot, this one, and then we're going to click on start and then start now one more time. As you can see, it says claim airdrop. We click on this, we click on connect wallet. From there, whichever wallet that you have or you want to connect, just click on that, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.